Target 2 is a manhole cover. It's 21.5 inches diameter by 3.5 inches thick. Target 2, observer up. Ready? Fire. Two o'clock. Target 2, observers up. Ready? Fire. Center mass. Target 4 is a steel track from a Ford tractor. It's 2 inches thick, 16 inches by 12 inches dimension. Target 4. Ready? Fire. Target down. Target 5 is bullet-resistant glass. 3/4 inch thick, 15 inches by 40 inches dimensions. Target 5, observers up. Ready? Fire. Center mass slightly left. Target 6 is cinder blocks. Cinder blocks are 8 inches thick with 3/4 inch walls, 16 inches long. Target 6, observers up. Fire. Ceasefire. Target 7 fired 10 rounds at the steel target. Target number 7, observer is up. Ready? Fire.
Located here are the entrance holes on the 3.5 inch thick manhole cover at a 30-degree obliquity, and the exit holes. Note the secondary fragmentation pattern, the effect that had on the wood behind the target itself.
The entrance hole from the 50 cal on the 2-inch thick steel track. Note also the crack. Better witness from this view. You can notice the 50 cal exit hole, the limited secondary fragmentation, and the cracking of that plate.
The incendiary effects of the 50 cal Raufoss round demonstrated here. Zirconium particles and the remnants of that round continuing to burn a full 30 seconds after bullet strike. And downrange 30 yards past the impact. The cinder blocks, the Raufoss round did penetrate through 4 of the blocks, and then through tumbling and yawing action exited through the top. The entrance holes within that 600-pound safe, the petal-looking like objects are actually the jacket being stripped away from the Raufoss round. And the exit holes. Demonstrated here are 6 of the 7 exit holes. 3 of the tungsten carbide penetrators did not penetrate out the back half of that safe. On the top part of the screen, you can see 1 tungsten carbide penetrator that impacted the back end of the safe but did not penetrate. At the lower part of the screen, you can see 1 tungsten carbide penetrator that actually came through the back end of the safe, parallel, vice perpendicular to the target. Pending any questions you might have, this concludes the M82 A1A Special Application Scope Rifle Terminal Ballistics and Capabilities Demonstration.